Hey guys, today we want to talk to you about using soda. This is an abrasive that you can use in wet blast or in dry blast. The soda is very soft, and a lot of times in dry blast cabinets it's going to be a one and done type of usage. In wet blasting, it will extend its life because the water cushions the abrasive. It also cools the surface, so you have no worries about overheating or heat warping of your parts. When you're using soda in a wet blast cabinet, this is going to be for cleaning purposes. Again, this abrasive is very soft. It's not going to remove paint. It may remove a little bit of the rust, but it's literally going to clean the surface. With the wet blast, because it does reduce the dust, you're not going to need the additional safety equipment like you would with dry blast. The other thing to consider when using soda in wet blast is that you're going to super saturate the water, so you're going to put in twice as much as the cabinet calls for. What that does is it dissolves to a certain level, and what's left behind is what's going to clean your part. Now, when you get ready to clean out the passageways of your part, that is going to dissolve. So for those of you who may be concerned about abrasive being left inside your part, this is a solution to that concern. The abrasive will dissolve whenever you're rinsing out your part. That's not necessarily the case in dry blast. So you tell us, what do you think? What's your concerns about using soda in a wet blast cabinet? What are your thoughts about using soda in dry? Give us an answer, put it in the comments below. Let us know what questions you have and if there's something we can highlight for you. And you can give us a call at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.